Hello and welcome everyone. Myself CMA Bhagishri Hulde. Today we are going to discuss that how to study paper number 16. Okay, this is the most common question that I am receiving in the comments, in the messages, in the Telegram, personal messages. Okay, that how to prepare for the paper number 16, because this is a very lengthy paper. Okay, very lengthy paper, and this is somewhere hard to. Okay, means. Questions may directly not ask from the study material, pattern will not be same, like that many problems are there in paper number 16. Some people are clearing all three papers, but they are not clearing this 16, even though I got only 47 in this paper. Okay, so then too I am just sharing my strategy. Okay, so paper number 16, that is direct tax laws and international taxation. Okay, in that while preparing this paper, I was also not confident. Till the exam I was not confident, because I was not getting any proper strategy. Okay, because this is a very lengthy very lengthy paper, so that's why I would like to share my strategy, so that you may get somewhere 50 to 60% help from me. So that's why I was totally directionless in case of this paper, but I did whatever I was feeling that it will be important, this will come in the exam, like that I just prepared. But I would like to share my strategy with you. If it will be helpful, then well and good. Okay, so total three sections are there, that is 50%, 30% and 20%. Okay, all the strategies I had followed in my exam. Okay, I'm not doing any changes in that. I would like to give you as it is, so that it will be helpful for you. Okay, so for in this paper, that is in paper number 16, institute is expecting that you must know the inter part also. Okay, so even though inter part is not given in the study material, this is not a part of your final syllabus, but this is the base, like inter is our base, so that's why institute may ask the question from inter part also, and they are asking continuously. Okay, so from inter study material I did all these things. Okay, so that's why this is a time consuming paper. Okay, and we are not confident in this. So 5 heads are most important. I'm just writing in short, that is income from salary, income from house property, PGBP, capital gain and income from other sources. In that PGBP is their favorite, so normally they are asking on this, and even though salary and house property is also important. Okay, just try to do all these things. Okay, capital gain normally somewhere in question they may ask, but direct question is not asked, but these are normally most important, but you have to do everything. Okay, so these 5 heads are most important from inter part. After the deduction under section 80, normally जो deduction है अपना चैप्टर नंबर 6A वाला, वो सब हम लोग को करना चाहिए. ओके, अंडर सेक्शन 80 में जो डिडक्शन आता है वो. Then set off and carry forward of losses, this is also they may ask, and clubbing of income. Okay, this is the most important. After that this is also most important, then it is 50% somewhere important, and this is least important, but just go through once. And this is also least important, because this may or may not come in the exam. Okay, so agricultural income and advance tax provision. Okay, those installment percent wise, right, 15%, 45%, 75%, 100%, like that advance tax provision you have to refer once. And most important, that is income tax rates. Okay, income tax rates, slab rate, I want to say that slab rate is also important. Okay, just go through once slab rates, which is given in around first or second page of your inter study material. Okay, in very starting part they have given the slab rate in very nice manner. So slab rate, marginal relief, rebate, like that all you have to cover. Okay, and company's tax rate, company's marginal relief, like that, and surcharge is also important. So slab rate covers all those things, so please refer that. Okay, because it's very easy part you have did in inter, so just you have to revise it. Okay, it will save you from the group 3. Now finally we are going to discuss the final part, most important study notes from your study material of paper number 16, that is final part. Okay, so section A में study note number 1. Okay, so study note number 1, practice all the practical problems. Normally you have to practice all the practical problems in all 4 papers of group 3, okay, because practical problems will save you. If direct question directly same pattern it will come in the exams, and then that will be very helpful for you. So practical questions are most important. After that, MAT, okay, minimum alternate tax section is section 115 JB, and AMT, that is alternative minimum tax, section 115 JC. okay, you have to study these two sections very properly, because MAT question will definitely 100% will come, okay, and PGBP may ask in that also, okay, normal statement for PGBP and MAT statement, okay, means calculation of tax, like that they may ask, okay. So this is the most important part, MAT, and AMT also important part. After that, means you have to cover this part, and you have to, otherwise you will not clear, okay. This part is most important, you have to do this, okay. So religious and charitable trust, this is everything is covered in study note number 1 only, okay. स्टडी नोट नंबर 1.7 आपको वहाँ पे ये मिल जाएगा, रिलीजियस एंड ये, और म्यूचुअल कंसर्न उसका भी हम लोग को स्टडी नोट है, और इसमें प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम्स भी है स्टडी नोट में, ओके. इवन दो देर आर वेरी लेस प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम्स इन द स्टडी मटेरियल, बट देन टू you can practice those in very proper manner, so that you will get idea to how to solve in the exam, okay. I just completed my study material of inter for this part. After that, for final, this part, okay, study material only, I never refer any other स्टडी मटेरियल, CA मटेरियल, वो मटेरियल, ये मटेरियल कुछ भी नहीं यूज़ किया है, सिर्फ स्टडी मटेरियल यूज़ किया है, इंटर के लिए इंटर का, फाइनल के लिए फाइनल का, दैट्स इट, और पास्ट पेपर्स और बिट क्वेश्चन, दैट्स इट, ओके. Or for this also I just use I think 2 channels I refer for this, so I will mention that, okay. My review is good for those channel, because I was able to understand this concept from there. Your reviews may be different, okay, but this is my duty that I will suggest you the channel, then you can find your own, okay, if you don't like those channel. So this is the religious and charitable trust, and after that mutual concern. Don't skip anything from here, at least do the practice of questions, okay. So that practice will definitely save you from the exam, okay. You will definitely clear this paper. After that we directly jump to the study note number 11, okay. This is also section A part, okay. section A में ही है अपना study note number 11, okay, because this is a section A normal, and after that that is direct tax covers, and section B is for international taxation, we know that, and C is for case study, okay. I will not going to say anything about case study, okay, because that is very lengthy. I just skip this केस स्टडी, मीन्स मैंने इसका स्टडी ही नहीं किया, केस स्टडी का स्टडी ही नहीं किया, जो भी नॉर्मल मैंने इधर से पढ़ा था ना, उधर से ही लॉजिक लगा के अगर स्टडी केस स्टडी पूछा है तो मैंने किया है, ओके. फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग ये करते बैठोगे तो ये ऊपर का सब चला जाएगा, सो बेटर टू फोकस ऑन दिस, ओके. यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट सम पॉइंट्स फ्रॉम हियर, ओके, फॉर हियर. So I was focusing on 50 and 30 because it's very lengthy, I was not getting time. How much time I got? I just focus on inter part, okay, just for revision, and totally focus on 50 and 30, okay. This 20 marks will definitely come after studying this, okay. So this was my strategy. So here study note number 11 is also most important. From here also all practical questions are most important. Slum sale, this question will definitely come in the exam, okay. These are the most important question will definitely come in the exam. MAT, slum sale, okay, most important. इसका जो स्टडी नोट है 11.3 है, ओके. आफ्टर दैट मीन्स फ्रॉम स्टडी नोट नंबर 1 आई जस्ट डिड all the practical problems from study note number 1, but more focus was on this, and study note number 11 I just practiced all the questions, okay. I was not skipping anything from study note number 1 and 11, that is practical problems, but more focus on these topics, okay. I hope you are getting me. After that directly I will go for the 30 marks, that is section B, international taxation. From here also means it is too lengthy. If you check your index also, then also you will get the idea that how much lengthy part is this, okay. So this is also too lengthy, but you can do the smart work over here, okay. So theory plus questions, anything will come from here, okay. So I have written the study note point, okay, from your index only, so you can check from there. So 17.5, that is bilateral relief section is given. For this international taxation, I followed one sir video, so I will suggest you the name, okay. After that 17.6, that is section 90A, okay. And after that unilateral relief, these are the most important section from your international taxation, so don't skip this, okay, because question will ask from here, short note or theory questions will ask from here only. After that arm length price, you know that these are the just definition type sections, okay. इंटरनेशनल टैक्सेशन किसको बोलते हैं या फिर इंटरनेशनल ट्रांजैक्शन किसको बोलते हैं, आर्म लेंथ प्राइस क्या होता है, वो सब, ओके। इसमें से क्वेश्चन बन सकता है। केस स्टडी बना था इस पे एसोसिएट एंटरप्राइज पे, अच्छा क्वेश्चन था, ओके। दैट क्वेश्चन वाज वेरी इजी, बट इफ यू डोंट नो द एसोसिएट एंटरप्राइज दोज कंडीशंस, देन यू कैन नॉट राइट or attempt that question. So that's why don't skip anything from this only, this is a minimum, okay. Okay, so after that these are the important studies. See, associate enterprise, this is the favorite section of institute because they asked most of the time question from here, okay, and this is important too and easy too. So after that computation of ALP, that we are having the methods, 5 methods, and from that we have to do the computation, that will definitely come in the exam. After that reference to transfer pricing officer टपो, ओके। सो टपो का रेफरेंस भी वैसे देखा जाए तो इम्पोर्टेंट ही है, और एपी है, ओके, एपी है। और DTAA जो पीछे मैंने सेक्शंस लिखे उसमें ही कवर हुआ है, डबल टैक्सेशन अवॉर्डेंस एग्रीमेंट एंड APA एंड इफेक्ट्स ऑफ APA, ओके। I did nothing more than this, okay. This was my enough part for the international taxation, okay. After that try to solve the practical questions. See, those sections or study notes which I have mentioned now in the last page, so those are most important. You have to practice all the practical questions, and I have written the name, that is MAT, AMT, like that you have to cover all the concepts from that. And this is the another part which I have not covered earlier, right. So try to solve the practical problems. Normally जो भी practical problem minimum जितना दिया है उतना सब practice करके जाओ, क्योंकि वैसे टाइप का अगर क्वेश्चन आ गया तो आप लोग को लॉटरी लग जाएगी ना, आप लोग सॉल्व कर पाओगे। सो इसीलिए बोल रही हूँ कि ये जो ग्रुप है ना, उसमें आप लोग को प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम्स अच्छे से करके जाना है, जितना आ रहा है उतना करो, लेकिन अच्छे से करो, ओके। अदर लीस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट स्टडी नोट्स, उसका रैंकिंग दिया है, मतलब जो भी है वो ऐसे 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 करोगे तो जितना टाइम मिलेगा आप लोग को मैक्सिमम इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट कवर हो जाएगा, ओके। सो इसमें मैंने क्या क्या किया था वही मैं बता रही हूँ आपको। रिटर्न ऑफ इनकम, मतलब जो रिटर्न हम लोग फाइल करते हैं इनकम टैक्स का, उसके बारे में ये पूरा स्टडी नोट है। so from here also case study or questions may come, okay, so that's why don't skip this, okay. After that assessment procedure, after that appeals, rectification, revision, settlement commission, like that. So these are most important, okay, these are most important. And after that this is ranking, so you know that these are the least important, okay. So after that advance ruling, different aspects of tax planning, okay. ICDS में दिया तो बहुत कुछ है, लेकिन मैंने किया नहीं था क्योंकि टाइम ही नहीं था उतना। सो आई जस्ट रिमेंबर द नंबर ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर ICDS एंड इट्स नेम, ओके, फॉर ऑब्जेक्टिव पर्पज नॉर्मली। सो नंबर एंड नेम आई जस्ट डेड फॉर ICDS। बाकी क्वेश्चन तो खूब दिया है उसमें, लेकिन उतना आया हुआ दिख नहीं रहा है एग्जाम में, ओके। सो this is somewhere important, but some is not guaranteed that it will come exam, okay, it may or may not come, okay. So ICDS I just by heart the name and number of that particular ICDS, nothing more than that. And black money also, this is a good part, so you can just refer once or twice. After that just go through this study note, okay, because this is a CMA final and that is in so horrible group, that is group 3. So don't skip anything directly, just go through once so that you will get the idea about that concept or topic, okay. So non-resident, after that interest and service seizure, okay. I also covered the नॉर्मली जो प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन है वो मैंने कवर किया था इसमें से, ओके। आफ्टर दैट थियरी थोड़ा बहुत रीड किया था, यू कैन इग्नोर, ओके। आफ्टर स्टडिंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स you can skip somewhere little bit part, okay, because study this paper number 16 is too lengthy, So from that you can skip little bit, right? So I skipped study note number 7, 10, 13 and 14. ओके, टोटली स्किप किया था. ओके, प्रॉब्लम तो इतना कुछ नहीं है क्योंकि इसमें से ज़्यादा पूछते ही नहीं है वैसे देखा जाए तो. पेनल्टी में तो हम लोग पागल हो जाएंगे क्योंकि उतना हम लोग को दिमाग में बैठेगा नहीं, जो भी लिमिट्स है, जो भी अमाउंट्स है, जो भी ईयर्स है, वो सब कितना पेनल्टी लगेगा वो सब. सो स्किप किया मैंने स्टडी नोट नंबर 7, 10, 13 and 14 because this is not a frequently asked in the exam, so why we are going to waste the time on this. Okay, so I just skip it. After that, objectives from study material, because after completing the study material there are some objectives, so those are also good objectives, so you must do that. After that, PDF, that is bit question, and practice offline past papers, as I have suggested in all the papers that practice the past papers. Okay, so this was my strategy for paper number 16. Now problem is that if I suggest the name of the one or two channels which I was studying, means from where I was studying, but problem is that those channels means those videos are very old, so there are some amendments. So this is your responsibility that after watching the video you understand the concept, so this is your duty that you have to check the amendments. Okay, so amendment आपको study material से just check करना है और कुछ नहीं करना है. Okay, so that's all you have to do. that amendments check करने वाला काम तो आपको ही करना पड़ेगा. मैंने जस्ट कैसे आप लोग को सॉल्व करना है, वो कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है, कैसे सॉल्व किया जाता है, क्या स्टेप्स है, क्या नहीं है, उसके लिए मुझे आपको वीडियो सजेस्ट करना है, मतलब चैनल सजेस्ट करना है. नॉर्मली इन सजेशन ऑफ द चैनल आई डोंट हैव एनी बेनिफिट. ओके, मीन्स आप लोग को ऐसा लगेगा कि मुझे प्रमोशन करना है किसी चैनल का. अगर प्रमोशन करना ही रहता तो मैंने यूट्यूब पे किया रहता, राइट? सो दिस इज़ नॉट अ प्रमोशन, एंड दे इवन दो दे डोंट नो अबाउट, आई एम सजेस्टिंग सम नेम्स ऑफ चैनल टू यू. दिस इज जस्ट फॉर यू ओनली बिकॉज दिस स्ट्रगल मीन्स दिस ग्रुप 3 स्ट्रगल आई नो वेरी वेल, बिकॉज क्या हुआ था मेरे टाइम पे, मैंने कितने अटेम्प्ट लिए इसमें, वो सब मैं शेयर करूँगी जल्दी ही, तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि क्या स्ट्रगल होता है ग्रुप 3 में. सो वो जो स्ट्रगल मेरा हुआ, क्योंकि मुझे तो कुछ भी गाइडेंस नहीं था. ओके, आई डोंट हैड एनी काइंड ऑफ गाइडेंस, सो आई नो हाउ आई हैव completed, so that's why I'm just trying to help you. There is no promotion of any other channels. Okay, so here we have completed the discussion of paper number 16. Okay, if you found this video helpful, then please like the video, do share with your friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more updates, and please check my channel's playlist to get more videos on various topics. Thanks for watching, friends.